Exercise 1233. Platinum, so that's PT, right? Crystallizes with face-centered, 4 atoms per cell. Right? The radius is 139 picometers. Calculate the edge length. Now, I like to write the formula for edge length as R times 2 square root of 2. The book might have it L equals 2 square root of 2R. And it's sometimes hard to tell that R is not in the square root, especially how the font they use in the book. So I just like to add square root 2R. So for A, it's pretty straightforward. The edge length is equal to 139 picometers times 2 times the square root of 2. So if I clear that out, the edge would be 139 picometers times 2 second square root 2. 393 picometers. So our edge is 393 picometers. And that's part A. Part B is a little bit more involved because we've got to calculate the density. And remember, density is mass over volume. There is a change in unit here because it's centimeter cubed. So the mass, let's do the mass first. We know we have 4 atoms of platinum. Okay, and so we're going to multiply those 4 atoms of platinum. We know that there are 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd platinum atoms in 1 mole of platinum. And we know that 1 mole of platinum is 195.08 grams of platinum from the periodic table. And that'll give me my mass of the unit cell, which is going to be very, very tiny. So let's try this. 4 divided by Avogadro's number times 195.08. I get 1.30, let's call it, times 10 to the negative 21st. 1.30 times 10 to the negative 21 grams of platinum, which is tiny. That's a tiny number, but I only have 4 atoms. So that makes kind of sense, doesn't it? Now we have to do the volume. And so for the volume, we have 393 picometers. However you convert this to centimeters, I'm happy. I'll do it the long way real quick. All right, 1 times 10 to the 12th picometers is 1 meter. And 1 meter is 10 to the second, or 100 centimeters. Right, so if I just bring that up, that's 10 to the negative 12, then to the negative 10th. 393 times 10 to the negative 10 centimeters. That works. The density is just mass over volume. But we got to get the volume. So our volume is length times width times height. And because we are a cube, the length equals the width equals the height, which isn't that fun. So the volume is 393 times 10 to the negative 10th centimeters cubed, which I'm going to put right there. So, is it 393? 393 times 10 to the negative 10, right? And that's going to be cubed. I get 6.07 times 10 to the negative 23rd. Centimeters cubed, and my mass is right here, 1.30 times 10 to the negative 21st grams of platinum. So my density will be, I'll take that 1.3 times 10 to the negative 21, divide, I'll be lazy, second answer, 21.4. Nope. Where are we at? There we go. 21.4 grams per centimeter cubed for platinum. And hopefully that clears it up. Now on Pearson it says 21.3, but I used too many sig figs. Let's see if that changes. If I do 1.3 times 10 to the negative 21 divided by 6.07 times 10 to the negative 23, and I get 21.4, still 21.4. So that is what we got. Alright. That's how we do number 1233. Again, if you have more questions, get a hold of me. Take care, guys.